Yes, sir. It was out of county, you know. Believe. Huh. You can't. So this whole the defendant, are you Brittany Thomas?
Yes, sir.
You're charged here with injury to a child. You've been on probation in this court since 2020.
Yes, sir.
I generally read all these, but
The moment the judge
So,
confirms the
child
charge, the
abuse in this
seriousness of the
case was
case
recorded
becomes
on a
clear.
video and was
Injury to a
found
child is one
circulating
of the
on
most
social media.
severe
sir.
allegations in
Who
family-related
videoed it?
criminal cases.
Somebody that
What
was,
makes
in
this
the car with
situation
us.
even
Huh?
more
Somebody that
intense
was in the
is
car.
that the
I was riding
alleged
with my friend,
incident
and
was
somebody that was in the
reportedly
car with us
captured
when I
on
got up to the
video
schoolhouse
and
with
spread
me.
on social media. When evidence like that enters a courtroom, it can dramatically influence how the judge views the case and the credibility
I
of
feel sorry for
everyone
the child.
involved.
It's okay.
You were observed hitting the child with a black belt several times. Also, you were observed screaming profanities at the child, calling him the N-word and threatening to break his face in. Continuing to yell profane language at Williams at the child. How old is the child?
He's 12 at this moment.
I'm not, I'm going to ask somebody else. I don't want to talk to you right now. We're going to talk to you in a minute. You're the defendant in this case. How old was the child and the prosecutor?
I'm not entirely sure, Your Honor. I didn't have this case at the time. I believe he was about 9.
9 years of age. Striking him and yelling profanities, the N-word, threatening to break his face. Weren't you the parent, the role model? That was terrible.
Yes, sir. Yeah. No.
No, you can speak. Go ahead, but your actions speak a lot louder than your words.
Yes, sir. I never said about breaking his face.
So somebody lied about this for no particular reason?
But I did spank him.
It's on video.
I did, and you can listen to the video. I did spank him. I took full responsibility for it. 2019. I went by it the wrong way, yes, sir. But he had no bruises. He was not physically abused, but mentally abused. But I took full control over it. I was very.
I'm sorry, what did you just say about the abuse?
He wasn't physically abused. He was emotionally abused.
You see anything wrong with emotional abuse for a child?
Yes, sir. Yes,
You don't
sir.
think a child carries that around forever?
Yeah, I've
maybe?
done it. I did. So yes, sir. I took full responsibility for it.
Well, it's what so after you've accepted full responsibility,
Yes, sir.
there's a motion to revoke probation here that has 10 violations. Not 1 or 2 or 3, but 10 violations, miss. I'm taking responsibility. Let me read this. Oh, are you kidding me? Committed the offense of driving while intoxicated with a child under 15 after mistreating children. You're driving around with a child?
It was 2 children, Your Honor.
2 children.
To be clear.
And this is where the situation escalates dramatically. The judge reveals there are 10 probation violations connected to the defendant. In the legal system, probation is already a second chance given by the court. When someone racks up this many violations, the judge begins to question whether that trust has been completely broken and whether stricter consequences may now be unavoidable.
I'm not taking the deal. No. You don't mistreat children and then you're about to interrupt me. You've got a fair opportunity to be heard. But you know what? It's my choices now. It's my choices. I don't have to take a deal. It's up to me. And we're going to have a hearing and we're going to hear the good and the bad and the ugly about this,
Yeah.
all about you. And then I'll get to make a decision, okay? But I'm not going to take 3 years. No, that sounds terrible. That's minimal. You can grimace all day long, but it's minimal for harming a child. Do you understand? That's not tolerated in this room. Do you understand? Mistreating a child. Do you understand? Yes or no? You don't understand. From your life, from your silence, you don't
I
understand.
completely understand, but I have no say so. I thought this was my hearing.
Oh, you got a hearing, but it's up to me to decide. You see, I think what you do is you've gotten into a position with your children, I guess, in your environment where you are in absolute control, which means you can harm children at whim
I can.
and be
I
and you can interrupt the judge and you can interrupt the judge at any time.
No, because this, no.
Here's what's going to happen. Here's what's going to happen. I don't take the deal. We're going to have a hearing. When can y'all be ready for a hearing?
Right now.
Our officers are from Houston, so we would ask for just a little bit of time whenever the court is available.
Friday.
I don't think I can get them here by Friday. One of my officers is the captain of the fire department and he's working 72 hours straight this week.
When can you be ready?
I need at least 3 weeks notice for my firefighter so that he can make arrangements.
To do what?
Come testify.
All right,
What I'm allowed.
you got it.
He did notify us that they were shorthanded over there right now in the fire department.
You have a reasonable amount of time to get them.
And Judge, I did tell the prosecutor that this was going to be a plea so that she could cancel them in enough time.
Okay.
So it's not,
Yeah,
she would have them
It's-
here, I'm sure.
this is information I never know about until we get up here. And I'm not accepting a plea. We're going to have a hearing on it. I'll give you 3 weeks.
Okay.
3 separate 3 weeks. That is all.
All right, we're talking about this.
All right, what's next?
Well, we have
Seldom do you
Mr.
hear too many people minimize harming a child, but the mother, I think.
At least as far as I'm concerned, Judge, we have Mr. Stokes who wants a hearing.